Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So this video will explain to you guys briefly of what you have to do for this quadratic formula solver. Okay, so you guys should have access to this Google document. So basically this is a document that kind of introduces what the project is about. So if we have a quadratic function that is in this form, x squared plus bx plus c, where a is a number, b is a number, c is some number, and I can apply my quadratic formula, which is here, and solve for x. I just substitute the values of a in here, substitute the values of b's in here, and substitute my values of c in here, and a is all. Right, so I hope by now you guys are more familiar with how to use Google Spreadsheet, and in this project you will work with a partner and design your own quadratic formula solver. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a sample that I made. Alright, so here is a sample that I made earlier on, and on the top I just have a few pictures that is optional. I put it there so that I remember how the quadratic formula is like. Okay, so over here I have this standard quadratic function in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when you guys are building your spreadsheet, you must allow the users to choose what's the value of a, what's the value of b, what's the value of c. Okay, so right now I have 2, I have -5, -3, which is basically this quadratic function at the bottom. 2x squared, right, my a is 2. My b is -5, so I have 2x squared minus 5x. My c is -3, so 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. And that is up to the user to punch in whatever number they want. Okay, so I've already built my own solver here, and you can see that if my equation is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, my x values will be 3 or -0.5. Right, 3 or -0.5. Okay, so let's try another one. So let's say if I use the quadratic function on the bottom right here, I have 20x squared minus 31x plus 12. Alright, so my a is equal to 20. I'm going to change that to 20. My b is equal to -31, -31. And finally, my c is equal to +12. Right, there you go. My x values are 0.8 or 0.75. Okay, so just to verify that my solver is actually working correctly, I have this calculator here. Let me bring this over a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put the values in there. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Okay, there you go. So I have already put the values in there. Let's change the values here. My computer is not very fast, so it's going to take a while. So I have -b. My b in this case is -31. So that's going to be -31. Okay, -b plus let's do plus first. Now my b is again -31. It's -31. B squared minus 4. My a is equal to 2. Sorry, my a is equal to 20. And my my c is equal to 12. Okay, over 2a, my a again is 20. and I click enter, I have 4 over 5, which is 0.8. Right, 4 over 5, 0.8. If I change that to minus, so instead of a plus, I have a minus. I have 3 over 4, which is 0.75 over here. Right, so that means my solver works perfectly. So work with your partner, and this might take you guys some time, and good luck. See you guys.